Hi guys, welcome back to today's episode. Today, just plan on painting the windscreen wiper blades, which is super easy, and then also finally going to get around to installing the window switches for the power windows in the car. Finally.
One eternity later.
What is up, guys? The whole weekend really got away on me. So I'll show you guys what did get done. Front and back bumpers, all painted. Had to spin the car around the tail lights as well, and the little fuel cap. Alright, we're gonna make this pretty easy. Just gonna run some wires. Here is the cables for the window regulator. Got the same ones on the other side. Just gonna run some wires. They come up on the inside here. They'll come through the door right here where my hand is. Then they're gonna run with the rest of the bird's nest into the center where I've already got some power. Pretty sure these ones from the back of the car. Okay, so we got wires ran on each side. Okay, so this is the little switch, alright, little on boy. So you get power comes into the middle. Then I've wired up all the switches so that all I'm going to do is chuck on a couple spade connectors. Boom, there we go. That's how this little rocker switch works. Now, strip your wires, turn on this bad boy, make sure that it's a good brand, please. Damn dog, I need 3 hands for this. Alright, give it a sec. Oh, I don't even know if it's going to go in, if it's in focus super well. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so... Oh. Probably don't do this with live wires, guys. Should have disconnected the battery.
No, you can't quit now. We just started. We gotta get these people a show, man.
Yeah, you're right.
That's something for you guys to watch out for, not me. I'm a semi-professional. Got distracted, unlocked another little side quest. Let's unbox one of these things and see how it looks. Alright, so I had to change angles a little bit in terms of how I was going about connecting it, because originally I was just going to wire up all this stuff first. Too much solder that time. It's all good.
That's why I lost respect. You're doing the most to get my attention, baby. I'm not impressed. I changed my bed sheets, but I still smell your flesh. I don't know how we got in this mess. I rarely get this in depth. This can't make me question love. This can't make me feel like less of a man, cause I'm feeling depressed and stuff. Can't believe I was willing to drop everyone and invest in us. The last time that we fought was fucked. The way you got out, got dressed and cut. Look, I thought that we could have been. Maybe I was
Alright, I've already taped it, so now it has to work. Oh, down is down. And up is up. Alright. Side 2. Oh, gotta turn around. Down is down. Up is up. There we go, we've done it. They're wired in, need to be tidied up. So what happened before, I was too lazy to disconnect the battery, so instead I just went and made up the patch harness on both sides and plugged those up, so that when I finally connected these last 2 wires here, yeah, it just wasn't gonna put electricity on the wrong end of the wires when I didn't want it there. So yeah, that is that for that job. I've been saying it for about 4 weeks now. Oh, we're gonna get to the power windows today. It's actually such a quick job, and I've just been putting it off, but finally had to get there. Yeah, doing a lot of side missions in life actually this week. Yeah, becoming a keen angler. All right, I'm doing a fair bit of fishing. That's what the trolley is for. Just cart around all the gear a bit easier. And then also, I didn't get any footage of me rubbing it out. I mean, rubbing the paint out on the bumpers or anything like that. But if you're keeping up to date on the Instagrams, then I've been putting, you know, a couple little photos up. You know, I had it in the booth. I had the parts in the booth. Father-in-law is the wizard with all that kind of stuff, so yeah, he's helped me out and done that for me, and so I've just, yeah, rubbing it back. So yeah, got a lot, you know, owe it all to him basically, whole paint job on the car. So I'm gonna do a bit of fishing tonight. Maybe I'll get a little bit of footage for it and be able to chuck that in. If not, you know, I hope that you've enjoyed the video for this week or last week, because it's Monday now. So I'm pushing the schedule. Hopefully I can get this video out tonight, and then we're all back on top of it.